The fifth question of the company core is our core activities. What is our core value proposition now? And really critically, what do we intend to start to develop in the near future? So imagine you're a new employee. There's a lot happening. You're trying to get your feet under you. This question, answering this question is really important because it defines what do we focus on? Like, what are we trying to be the best in the world at? How does that create value for our customers? And how are we going to leverage those strengths to do new innovations in the near future? That's the spirit of the core activities. What do we do now that adds value? How do we do it? And what are we going to start doing in the near future? Core activities. The sixth question of the company core is the opposite polarity of our core activities. It's our non-core activities. Like, what do we need to stop doing, or what don't we do? Now, just notice those two kind of poles, right? Here's our core value proposition. Here's what we don't do. What I'm trying to do is define the playing field for the staff. Like, understanding the non-core to just define the boundaries is really valuable. It might be too that as the business was in early startup days, it just got into a lot of different stuff, a lot of noisy stuff that's not really part of the core. Maybe you need to get out the weed whacker and start to cull those things. You can also define for the team, like, where do we draw the line? Let's say we do web hosting. Well, do we also provide payment services? There's a gray area there, right? So call out in the prior question, what is it that we focus on? What is our core? And then in this question, paint the picture, create the boundaries. What do we not do? That's the spirit here.